that small opportunity of giving that word, you don't know. God knows you do. Ayun, a long time church, again, kita. But those are the ones you don't know the power of God. So, you should make a promise to invite your mother. Ano ang promise? Invite sa mama ko lang ito sa akin. Your mama, invite. Invite your mama. Invite mama, invite. Invite your mother. We will honor them. Sa hong dito, laki dito ulo. Invitan pa, mama. Honor your mother is very well. So, invite them, we will prepare a small gift, a token to make the day special for them. We will know the importance of mother. So, ito ang mga mama, invite sa mga promise. Mama, promise to invite.
Yes.
Sister, mama mo?
Memang mama mo yun.
Sister, wala mama. O si Ben. Ben. Mama, invite. We will tell them that we have a special Sunday for them. We want to honor them. We will take time and pray for them. The most, I think, the best gift is right there for them. So, kayo mawala na mama. Kaya mama yun na tayo. No, sayo. Wala mo na ako. Bilang mo ako. Bakit ka wala ako for me? Ha? So, ang buhay pa, bigyan opportunity to honor them. So, we will make that Sunday special and big event for them. Our purpose, biggest purpose is to give them an opportunity to hear God's word. Our work is just give them God's word, which is God giving us. And so, lead it to God. Okay? So we will also already prepare for message that Sunday.